Hey guys, welcome back. We are here today. We're going to get started on planting. We've got some planters, some starters. We're going to do some broccoli. We've got some romaine and some red leaf lettuce. We're also going to start some strawberries, which I think the kids will really like.
In addition to that, we're going to try to do some garlic bulbs and some onion bulbs just to see how that works out. I've never done that before, so I'll be very interested to see how that works out.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
All right, let's get started. All right, so getting ready to get set. We got some strawberries we're going to plant first. Recommends about 18 inches apart, but we're going to just kind of guesstimate and try to fit them in here. Because, you know, it is what it is, you know. It ain't science, I guess. It's just kind of free balling it.
We're making it up as we go.
We're making it up as we go. Let's get it going.
So we got our strawberries in.
Boom.
Moving on to the next. All right, so we're moving on now to our broccoli. We're gonna do the same thing as we did with the strawberries. So we're gonna keep them, space them out. They're recommended 18 inches apart, but we're gonna make it work.
Yeah.
So next, we're gonna do some lettuce. We've got all of our broccoli and our strawberries in, and we've got romaine, and we also have red leaf lettuce. So we're gonna try out both of these. So these are recommended, whoops, it's kind of windy today. These are recommended between 10 and 18 inches, so we're gonna try to fit 4 across. So we'll see what happens.
So now we're trying something different. We got these onion bulbs. We're gonna plant these, and these seem pretty simple. You press them down to the ground, you leave the tip out, and that's it. We'll see. Let's do it. It's a little windy out here, so we're cold. We're trying to get this done really fast. Hey guys, welcome back. We got our first raised bed filled. We got strawberries down on the far end. We got some broccoli. Then we got our romaine lettuce.
Red leaf lettuce.
And that red leaf lettuce. Then we got some onions here, which for these you have the little bit of head sticking out here. And then underneath, deep down here, we have the garlic cloves. So
dirty.
Yeah, so that's done, thank God. It's chilly out here. But tomorrow we'll start working on our seedlings. So we're gonna go right from the seed. We'll show you guys how to do that on the next video. See you guys later.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Peace.